Can everyone mute yourself? Except Ilango. Srinija, mute kana. Mute yourself. Okay. Ilango, what shape is this?
One side.
Ilango. Ilango. Ilango is not there. Okay, we'll leave it. Sarah, what shape is this? Sarah.
Excuse me. Tell what?
Circle. Very good. What shape is this?
Square.
Very good. What shape is this?
Rectangle.
Very good, Sarah. Good girl. Riyashree. Riyashree.
சொல்லு சொல்லு எஸ் மேம் சொல்லு அங்க பாரு
What shape is this, Riyashree? Riyashree.
அங்க பாரு அங்க பாருயா மேம் நம்ம பேரு அது என்னது என்னது இது மாதிரி வச்சிருக்காங்க பாரு மேம் ஸ்கொயர் சொல்லு அது என்ன ஷேப் அது ஸ்கொயர் சரி ஓகே அது என்ன ஷேப் சொல்லுடா ஸ்கொயர்
Square. Square.
Square. சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Square.
Okay. What shape is this? Circle.
சர்க்கிள் சர்க்கிள்
Circle.
சத்தமா சொல்லு சர்க்கிள் சொல்லு
Cup.
Kappa. Circle. Okay. What shape is this? Rectangle. Why so slowly? Correct ah சொல்றீங்க சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
ரெக்டாங்கிள்
Very good, Riyashree. Thank you, Hiteshri. 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 Not there, huh? Nimalan. Nimalan.
Yes, ma'am. நீ சொல்லு.
What shape is this?
என்ன ஷேப்னு சொல்லு. அங்க பாரு காமிக்கிறேன்.
Circle. This one.
அது என்ன ஷேப்?
Rectangle.
நல்லா பாரு அது என்ன ஷேப்.
Here.
Rectangle.
Okay. அப்புறம்
Very good. Well done. Okay, next is Adarsh.
Yes, ma'am.
What shape is this, Adarsh?
Yes, ma'am.
What shape? This one. Adarsh.
Ma'am, par very good. Amma par square.
This one. This one.
Oh, boys, ma'am.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
My boys,
Good,
ma'am.
Adarsh. Good boy, Adarsh. Kadambari. Yeah, good morning, Kadambari. Yeah, good morning, Kadambari.
Circle.
This one.
Rectangle.
This one.
Square.
Very good, Kadambari. Thank you, Shravanya.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ma. Pravina, Pranavi. What shape is this?
Circle, ma'am.
This one.
Rectangle.
Very good. This one.
Square.
Square. Very good, Ma. Shravanya. Yukta. Yukta. What shape is this?
Circle.
This one.
Rectangle.
This one.
Square.
Very good, Yukta. Next is Sai Priyan.
Ma'am, rectangle, ma'am.
Hi. What is in the shape?
Rectangle.
Circle, ma'am.
This one.
Rectangle, ma'am. Square, ma'am.
Very good, Sai Priyan. Nakshatra.
Rectangle.
Nakshatra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What shape is that, ma'am? The ma'am, what shape?
Circle.
Either triangle.
What shape is this? Rectangle. Very good. This one. This one.
This one.
Square.
Square shape.
Very good, Nakshatra. Pranav. Pranav. Achacho, rectangular. Square, huh? This one, huh? 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Rectangle. Rectangle. This one.
அது என்னது?
What shape is this?
இல்லங்க.
Circle. Circle. Okay, thank you, Pranav. Srinija. Srinija.
Square.
Hmm.
Rectangle.
Hmm.
Circle.
Very good, Srinija. Thank you, Nitish. Nitish.
Good morning.
Cleaner.
What is this, Nitish? What shape is this?
Square. Square.
Nitish. என்ன shape இது, Nitish?
Square.
Square. Nitish, square.
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 One.
Rectangle. Rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay, good. This one.
Circle. Circle. Circle.
Very good, ma, Nitish. Ilango. 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 Ilango, again you are not there, Ilango. Ilango.
Yes, ma'am. Sollu. Yes, ma'am.
What
Can you hear it?
What shape is Ilango? Ilango. I think you have some network issue. Is there any network issue?
Now we can see.
What shape is
What
this?
shape is this, Ilango? சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Circle.
Very good. This one.
Square.
Good. This one.
Square.
This one.
Rectangle.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Rectangle.
Very good, my Ilango. Tilakar. Tilakar. Tilakar.
Yes, ma'am.
What shape is this, Tilakar?
Circle. Square. Rectangle.
Very good, Tilakar. Kevin. Kevin. What shape is this, Kevin? What shape is this, Kevin?
Circle.
Good.
Square.
Good.
Square.
It's going to rain today. Somehow it's going to rain. I didn't bring my umbrella also. What to do? Umbrella kondu varala. Mala pay podu nalla. Next is Pranavi and Pravina. Thank you so much, Kevin. Pranavi and Pravina. Pranavi, Pravina. What shape is this? What's this?
Circle.
Circle. Both of you should answer. ரெண்டு பேரும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும்.
What's square? Square. Rectangle. Rectangle.
Good, very good, both of you. Arya, good morning, Arya.
Good morning.
Arya, what shape is it?
Ma'am.
What shape is it, Tikra?
Square.
Ma'am.
என்ன shape சொல்லுங்க.
Circle. Ma'am.
இது என்ன?
Rectangle.
Very good, Arya. Hiteshri.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma.
I am wearing uniform.
You are wearing uniform. You are so beautiful. Come on, stand up. Let me see your uniform.
Stand up, full கட்டு.
Let me see your full uniform. Wow, good. Well done. Thank you. Hiteshri.
Jump. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump.
Jump. Come on, tell me the shape.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's circle.
Circle.
Rectangle.
Very good. Thank you so much, children. We'll start with our session. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Niteshri, repeat the anthem after ma'am. Adya, did you finish the activity? Come on. What shape is this, Adya? Adya is there? Where is Adya? No, what? Come on, can you see Adya?
One.
Adya.
शेप कौन सा
Adya, what shape is this?
Circle.
Very good. This one?
Circle here.
Yeah, very good, Adya. You also have circle shape. This one?
No, this one circle.
ओके बेटा वो कौन सा है अब वो कौन सा
Square.
Ah, yeah. This one?
Square.
ये
Super. Very
ये
good.
कौन सा है ये कौन
Square.
नो बेटा ये
Two.
Rectangle.
rectangle
Rectangle.
Rectangle. 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Okay? Rectangle. What you're having is rectangle, I think. Show me. Dikha, ma'am, dikha.
One.
Very good. Adya, good girl. Thank you so much, Adya. All of you stand up. Hiteshi is going to repeat after mom today. Join your hands and close your eyes, children, everyone.
Guys.
Yes, ready? It's the anthem.
The Adam.
You are within me.
You are with me.
You are infinite.
You are infinite.
You are unique.
You are unique.
My potential inside.
My complete insect.
Today, you are the wings
You are the wind
beneath my flight.
beneath my flight.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential inside.
My potential insect.
Today I pledge
Today I pledge
with all my might.
all my night.
I shall achieve you.
I shall achieve you.
My potential inside.
My potential insect.
Yes, very good. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Don't sit down. Stand, keep standing. Keep standing. Today, ma'am is going to show you some cards, okay? According to to do the action. Everyone mute yourself. First mute yourself, everyone. Nimala, mute yourself. Ma'am is going to show you some cards. See the card, what the action is done here, the same thing you are going to do. Are you all ready? Srinija is ready. Stand up, all of you. Don't sit down, stand. Stand, all of you. Kevin, stand up. Okay, very good. Okay, the first action. What action is this? Running. Come on, run, Sarah, run. Run in your places. Don't run out of the session. Run. Very good. This is the way you run, Kevin. Run. Very good, Yukta. Okay, next action is sit. Sit, all of you, sit. Sit. What is sit? On the table, Okay, next is stand. Stand, all of you. Wow, children. Stand, all of you. So quick, Good. Next is sleep. Kadambari. Sleep. Okay, good. Adarsh. Next is walk. Walk. Yeah, walk around. Very good. Walk. Good. Next is dance. 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 How will you dance? Satriyan, Hiteshri. Arya, good Arya. See how nicely she's dancing. Adya, dance. Dancing with daddy, ah. Okay, next. Jump. Jump. Jump, all of you. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, all of you. Very good. Jumping. Next is flying. Fly, fly. How will you fly? Flap your wings and fly. Fly like a Superman. Fly like a Superwoman. Fly. Yeah, very good. Fly. Good. Next one. What is it? Read. Read. How will you read? Reading means what you will do? Tilakar, with your hands, empty hands, you are reading. Read. Very good, children. All of you are fetching your book. Good. Read. Good. Next action. Sing. Sing. Sing, 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 sing. Sing like a singer. Come on. Pranavi and Pravina. Singing, rock stars, you both are. Very good. Rockstar Pravina. Rockstar Pranavi. Good. Next one. Drink. Drink. How will you drink? Drink, 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 drink. Good. Really, you children are drinking, huh? Chicho. Okay, next one. What action is this? Anyone can tell me? What this boy is doing?
Think.
Think. Very good. Kadambari, good. Think. Thinking. Come on, think all of you. How will you think? Think. Good. Okay, next action. Clap. Clap. See here, he's clapping. Clap. Very good. Clap. Next is eat. Eat. How will you eat? Eat. Kadambari, very fast. Like this, really you will eat, huh? Parents, are they eating like this? Very fast? No, right? Good. And the final one, my favorite one. Laugh. How will you laugh? Laugh loudly. Unmute yourself and laugh. Let me hear your loud laugh. Mansa, stop. Stop, everyone. Mute yourself. Okay, now clap hands for yourself. Very good. Well done. Now go drink one glass of water and come back for the attendance. Come on. Drink water and come back. Adarsh. Adarsh. Very good. good, Adarsh. Arya.
Here, ma'am.
इसके बाद
Okay. Adya. Adya Sharma. Ah.
It's my dress.
What happened?
ये सबकी ड्रेस है ये आप
Tomorrow school.
Yes, same for all.
I'm taking class here. Now only you noticed.
हाँ बेटा सबकी ड्रेस सेम है बेटा.
I'm not responsible. Sorry. Ilango. Ilango. Adya. Ilango. Ilango. Where is Ilango? Ilango, I'm marking you. Ilango, I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Hiteshi. Hiteshi.
My name is.
Very good, Hiteshi. Nakshatra. Nakshatra. Nitish. Very good. Nitish.
Here I am.
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Pranav. Good. Pranav.
Ma'am, Nimala ma'am.
Yeah, girl. 1 minute. Pranav. Nimalan. Yeah, thank you, Pranav. Nimalan. Manasa. Very good, Manasa. Kevin.
Here I am, sir. Here I am. Full. Yes, ma'am, sir. Yes,
Kevin.
yes, ma'am, sir.
Now only I praised you that you are in good mood. Huh? Marking you, Kevin. Next is Riyasri. Riyasri. Okay, marking you, Riyasri. Sara.
Sara. Attendance Sara.
Sara. Sara. Sai Priyan.
Here I am.
Naughty children. Everyone are naughty. Very good, Sai Priyan. Pranavi. Pranavi. Pravina. Srinija. 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 I'm marking you, Srinija. Tilakar.
see, Srinija.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Tilakar. Tilakar. Nova. Okay, Kadambari.
Here I am.
Kadambari.
Here I am.
Very good, Kadambari. Savanya. Savanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Savanya. Okay, children. Now ready for the activity? Bring your materials. Before that, I'm going to show you. Look at the screen. I'm going to show you the materials which I have. Okay.
What material?
You didn't call Yukta's name.
Sorry, Yukta. I called now only. I didn't call her.
No,
I
no.
marked her. Sorry, Yukta.
Oh, okay. If you have marked, it's fine, ma'am. Yeah, no problem.
Yukta.
Here I am, ma'am.
Sorry, Yukta, but I marked you, Yukta. Sorry. Next is see here, children. I have 4 blocks. Yes.
What material?
Water bottle, a plastic water bottle, a cup or a tumbler, a small bowl, and a water bottle cap. Okay? Yeah. Ready with the activity? All of you mute yourself, children. First, listen to the activity. I have 4 blocks with me, and now I want to arrange it according to the size. Okay? Now you are going to help me how to arrange it. First, the smaller one. Which is smaller in these 4? Which is small? Which color is it? Tell me.
Green.
Green is smaller.
Blue. Blue color.
So first, one I did here. Okay. Next bigger one is this yellow color. Next bigger one. Can you see the size parents, smaller one, big one, bigger one, and the biggest one. Okay, like this, the materials which you have, you are going to arrange it. Okay, I am going to show you with some other materials also. See here, I have a plastic bottle here, tumbler, a cup, and a water bottle cap. Can you see? Now, which is the smaller one? Tell me, children. Touching the screen. Which is the smaller one? Which is the smaller one?
Blue. Tiny boot.
Which is the smaller one? This one.
Water cup. That's the
Bottle
water
cap.
cup.
Very good, Gupta. Bottle cap is the smaller one, and this bottle is the bigger one. Like that, you have to arrange. Come on, arrange it. Let me see how you are arranging. Arrange it. Parents, please don't help them. Let them think and arrange. Think and do it, children. Your parents are not going to do. You yourself should do the activity. See which is small one. Check whether it is correct. Very good, Yukta. Shravanya, good. Shravanya, check which is tall, which is big one, that box or that bowl. Very good. Finish, everyone. Very good. Done very fast. Hiteshri, good. Now, children, touch the big one. Which is the big one there? Which is the biggest one? Touch it. Very good. Water bottle is the biggest one. And which is the smallest one? Which is smallest? Touch which is smaller. Which is smaller? Which is smaller? Good. Bottle cap. Very good. Smaller one is the cap. Bigger one is the water bottle. Very good, children. Thank you so much. Now arrange your materials aside. Keep it aside. Take your rough notebook. Very good, Nitish. Pranavi, Pravina, good. Hiteshri, good. Adya Sharma also good. Finished.
Ma'am,
Take your
Srinidhi
rough
also
notebook.
finished, ma'am.
Take a plain page. Parents, I want you to draw a big apple, and inside that apple you have to write from A to J. Jumble it and write from A to J. Not in a sequence A, B, C, D, E. You should not write like that. Jumble it and then write. Inside that apple you have to write. They will be circling the alphabet which I am telling them. So a big apple, quite enough for them to circle. Big one. Let me show you.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Yes, Kevin. A big apple. And then inside that assortedly you write.
Ma'am, up to J, huh?
Yeah, up to J. Because
Okay.
today's worksheet till J will be writing, so till J is enough.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, we should draw apple and tell them to write inside up to J.
No, you write and give them. If you ask them to write, it will take time. So you write and give them. Let them circle. I'll tell them.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Finisher? Manasa? Why your camera is tilted, Manasa? Srinija finished, Mama.
Yes, ma'am. I wrote. I mean, she need to circle that one,
Yeah, I'll tell them what to circle.
ma'am.
Yeah, I'll tell them what to circle. You don't have to. Just draw and write it and give it to them. I'll tell them one by one, let them circle. Identify and circle.
Okay.
Ready? I think everyone is ready. Nimalan ready?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Why are you sitting in a chair every day, Nimalan? That too in a high place.
Ma'am, hi, ma'am. I'm using phone for camera, ma'am. Since it is system, camera is not coming correctly, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, children. First alphabet is D. Come on, D. Circle D.
And D.
D for drum. D. Drum. D. Parents, please don't help them. Let them identify and do it on their own. Adarsh, circle D. Adarsh, I'm watching you, Adarsh. D circle பண்ணுங்க. Very good. Next alphabet is H.
Which is a
H. Find out which is H. 2 standing line and a sleeping line. H. Good mark, Kadambari. And the next alphabet is B. B. 1 standing line and a double verb. B. Find out which is B. Where is B? Search for B and circle. Lango. Riyashri, are you doing? Hold your crayon properly, Ilango. Hold your pencil or crayon properly. Next is C. C. Find out where is C. C. Arya, C.
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 C. Yeah.
Circle.
C for cat. Cat. And the next one is I. I for ice cream. Igloo. I. 1 standing line, sleeping line on top and 1 sleeping line on the bottom. I. Nakshatra, are you doing it? Next one is A. Parents, please don't help them. A, let them take their own time. If you want me to say slowly also, I am ready. A. Find out where is A.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Kadambari. Next one is E. E. Eggs in the pan. E. Check whether they are able to identify. Now, if you are helping them, then they will have the doubt in future also.
Finish, ma'am.
If they are circling it roundly also, you find out.
Finish,
Yeah,
ma'am.
next is J. J. Kadambari circled.
Finish, ma'am.
Jelly and jam. J.
Yes.
Very good.
Ma'am, she's not circling J. Instead, she wants to circle B.
J, you don't know? Oh,
So she knows.
Adya. Okay, fine, fine. If you are not circling, fine. Next letter. F. F. Starting like a siren, like that. I am also going to cry like that. See. F. I am going to cry one day all because of this Adya Sharma.
No, she's telling she will circle some other letter instead of J.
Some other letter. What letter?
B. She's telling I'll circle B only.
E finished, no? E, then J. Next is F. Finished, I think. A,
Good,
B,
very good.
H, I, J. Finished. Over. Parents, please correct what they have done. Give them 2 stars. Is there any child who is not able to identify till J? Is there anyone? No, what? Other?
Ma'am, you said G.
Sorry?
G. You missed
G.
G.
Left over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
G is left
What
off.
is G, children? I thought I finished G. G. Thank you, Srinija. Very good. Now get it corrected. Get 2 stars. Kadambari, get stars. Don't rub your eyes like that, Kadambari. What happened? Take out your hand. Very good. Everyone is able to identify from A to J. Adarsh, brushing your teeth.
Not doing, ma'am.
Adarsh is brushing, huh?
See,
Why you are not doing Adarsh?
we
Where
just
is
marked
A?
it.
Where is
A only, ma'am.
A only, B.
B போடு B எங்க இருக்கு?
Adarsh கண்டுபிடிங்க எங்க B இருக்கு? காட்டுங்க அம்மாக்கு. Where is B? Where is B?
B.
Star illa Adarsh. Star வேணுமா வேண்டாமா? You want star? I have more stars here.
Blue
color. Where is B?
star.
All of you will get 3 stars for what you have written.
B round
3 stars for everyone. Yellow star, purple star, and the blue star for everyone. Happy everyone. Ellarkum. Stars for everyone. Thank you, ma'am. Keep your notebooks down. Keep your notebooks down. All of you keep your notebooks down. We are going to have a recap of our phonics. Ready? A to J. Okay. First letter is A. Capital A, small a. And the phonic sound. What is the phonic sound and action? And so my arm. And so my arm. And so my arm. They are causing me alarm. Okay. Next is B. Capital B. Small b. What is the phonic sound for b? Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. What is the action for b? B. Okay, next is C. Capital C. Small c. Okay, we are clicking castanets. Do the action, Tara. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. This is the action for C. Okay. Next is D. Capital D. Small d. And what is the phonic rhyme? Anyone knows? Is there anyone who knows what is the phonic rhyme for D? Phonic rhyme for D. On my lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play on my drum. Da. Okay, da 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 D. Next is E. Capital E, small e. All of you mute yourself. Capital E and small e. And the phonic rhyme is eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this, eh. Okay? F. Phonic rhyme, capital F, and this is small f. Phonic rhyme is my friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. This is the action for F. All of you do the action. Okay, next is G. Capital G, small g. Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a g. G. Okay. H. H. Capital H. Small h. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. Ha, 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 ha. This is your action. Ha. How will you keep your hand and say for H? Ha. Okay, that is the phonic sound for H. Ha. Next is I. Capital I. Small I. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. E, 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 e. Ink is wet. E, e, e. How will you rub your mouth? When you make your mouth messy, when you're eating something, cake, chocolate, ice cream, you will make it around your mouth. And how will you wipe? Like this. That is the sound for E. E, 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 E. Come on, do it. Everyone do it. Very good, Riya Shri, good girl. E, 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 E. Okay? J. J, capital J, small j. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. What is the action for J? Ja, ja, ja. Okay, from the beginning, now I am going to show you the cards. You are going to tell me what is the action for the phonic sound. Okay, first A. What is the phonic sound and action? A. Answer, ma'am. Okay. Next is B. What is the phonic sound and action? B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Okay. Next is C. Speaking castanet. C. Speaking castanet. C. Okay. Phonic sound is very important. Children, listen carefully. Using these phonic sounds, learn all. Mute yourself, Hitesh. So listen carefully with children. Okay. K, K, K. Next is D. D, D, D. See me play on my drums. D. Next is E. What is the phonic sound and action for E? A. Eggs in the pan. A. A. Okay. Next is F. What is the action for F? F and sound. Okay. G. Water gurgles down the drain. G. G. What is the action for G? Anyone? Very good, Yukta. Good girl. Yukta, Pranav, Ilango, good. You all remember. Srinija, Manasa, good. G, 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 G. G is G. Next is H. What is the action for H? Anyone? I like to hop. Very good, Riyashri. Ha, 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 ha. Good. Ha. Very good. Next is I. Inky the mouse is my pet. What is the action for I? I, E. Do the action E. Sarah, do the action E. Okay. J, jelly and jam. Jelly and jam, what is the action? J. Very good, Elangu. J. Okay, so you should remember this. Tomorrow, once again, I'll be asking you the actions and the phoning sound one by one. For that, I want all of you to go and listen to the rhyme today. Okay, take your worksheet. Day 2 LT. F to J. Take your worksheet book. And the worksheet number is day 2 D02 LT. You will have from F to J alphabet.
Ma'am, once again, I'll take the worksheet book and come.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what is the number, ma'am? Page number?
D02 LT. F to J. The worksheet will be like this. Yeah, correct. Srinija, right. Write today's date, children. 2/3/23 dash 6 dash 2/1/21. Today's date is 23. Month of June, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. So write today's date. And in the corner, if you are able to write your name, you can write, or else ask your parents to write. All of you have this worksheet, right? Yukta, you didn't still get your kit?
Wait, ma'am.
No,
Sorry?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You didn't get what to do.
They told this Thursday they will give me.
By this Thursday, tomorrow, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You write in your notebook, Yukta.
Ma'am, workbook page number?
Or in your 4-line notebook, you can write.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Ma'am, workbook page number?
D02 LT.
302?
D02 LT ன்னு இருக்கும் இது மாதிரி இருக்கும் F to J.
மேம் பேஜ் நம்பர் எங்க போட்டுருக்கோம்?
கீழ ஏதோ இங்க இருக்கும் பாருங்க. ஹியர் இங்க தெரியுதுங்களா?
ஒரு நிமிஷம். ஓகே ஓகே.
Already we have written A to E no. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இருக்கும் இந்த பேजेस. Got it, Pranavi's mom? JRD02LT, it will be written like that. Start writing your worksheet, children. F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for igloo, J for jug. Children, G, how you should write, I'm going to show you how to write G. Okay. First, write a big curve, go up, a sleeping line and a standing line. Okay. A big curve, go up, sleeping line, standing line. Left side of your worksheet, you will have a plain paper. There you can write and see how to write G. First work out how to write and then you continue writing in the worksheet. If it is very difficult, parents can guide them by giving them dots in the worksheet. Adarsh, first fold your legs and sit, Adarsh. Sit properly and write. Sit down properly first. Very good. Fold your legs and sit. Sit properly. Keep the book near, closer to you and write. Nakshatra, write. Don't play with your pencil. Teshri, are you able to write G?
With the help of dots, she is writing.
Yeah, that's it. Right. Shravanya, you can write in your rough notebook, Shravanya. Nakshatra, write, otherwise you won't get star. You all need stars, right? Write fast and get stars. Write fast and get stars. When you write only, I'll give you star. Otherwise, no star. Write fast and get your stars. Arya. Finish, Arya.
No, ma'am, she got distracted with the stars. She's telling what color she wants.
Okay, finish writing. I'll give you whatever color you want.
Finish writing, okay?
Yeah, finish writing. Good girl. Whatever color you want, I'll give you. Don't worry, okay? Write fast. Focus on your writing, everyone. Sarah is going to finish. Very good girl, Sarah. Pranavi and Pravina, is anyone holding your hand? Who's that? Don't hold their hands. If you want to guide them, keep dots and give it to them. Dot வச்சு கொடுங்க. கையை பிடிச்சு எழுத வைக்கவே வைக்காதீங்க. Now they are in junior KG. How far will you help them?
Okay ma'am. Dot தான் வச்சு கொடுத்திருக்கோம்.
சரி. Ravina, don't worry, right? I saw you, good girl. Right first. I'll give you star. Okay? Star கொடுப்பேன் ma'am. சீக்கிரம் எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Very good. Very good. Well done, Nitish. Well done, Sara. Sara, what color star you need?
I want
You want?
Purple color. Purple color.
Purple. Okay, next is Nitish. Pranavia.
Yes ma'am.
Standing line. அந்த ஜிக்கு பக்கத்துல standing line.
Okay ma'am.
Keeping line, standing line is missing, so ask them to write that standing line.
Ma'am, Srinija finished, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Well done. What color star you need?
I'm pink or yellow.
Pink. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Nitish, what color star you need?
Blue star. And a pink.
Pink. Pink star for Nitish.
Thank you, ma'am. Give her star too. She's crying.
Adya, what color star you need?
It's mustard.
This one?
Mustard.
This one? Which one?
ऐसे भी बोलते हैं.
Which one? This one or this one? Blue.
Blue star.
Blue star for Adya Sharma. Come on, write. Good girl. Next words finish. Pranavi is writing on her own. Ravina only needs help.
No ma'am, I'm telling her to write ma'am how it should stand in everything like that ma'am.
Fine. Yes ma. Yes.
Finish.
Manasa. Very good, Manasa. What color star you need?
Blue.
Blue for Manasa.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Kana. Next to finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Riyashri finished. Riyashri, today quickly you finished. Good girl, Riyashri. What color star you need?
உனக்கு என்ன கலர் ஸ்டார் வேணும் சொல்லு.
Pink.
Pink. Daily pink. Pink. Green. Green.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay? Next, wells.
And then
It is finished.
pink color star.
Pink color. One minute, ma Ilango. 1 minute. Hiteshi, mute yourself. Okay. Now Ilango, tell me.
Ma'am kita sollu. Ma'am kita finish sollu ma'am.
When I'm calling him, he will not answer.
Sollitta. Sollu ma'am kita finish ma'am sollu.
Show me a word. Very good. Okay, come on. What star you need?
What color?
Green.
Okay?
Thank you Sollitta.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Ilango. Next is Pranav.
Finish.
One by one, I'll ask you then. Mute yourself. Everyone, please mute yourself. Pranav, Adarsh, mute yourself. Adarsh, mute. Ilango, mute yourself. Come on, ma Pranav. What color star you need? What?
Brown.
Brown?
Brownie.
You thought I will not have this brown color. See, I am having brown. Okay? Yeah, Tilakar. Show me Tilakar. Good Tilakar. What color star you need?
One color.
Brown color. Okay? Okay, next is Sai Priyan. Sai Priyan, finish.
Mama.
No, wow, okay. Anyone is there who has finished?
Shravanya.
Mom, look at
Kisha. Wow, very good, Shavani. Where did you get this worksheet? You bought the Kisha?
No, ma'am. This is Ridinia's one. I erased it and made her use this one.
Oh my God, such a sweet mom you are. What color star you need, Shavanya?
Mom, purple, Mom.
Purple only I am having in my hand. See here. Purple star.
Thank
First
you, Ma'am.
welcome, Shavanya.
Mom, I finished, Mom.
Very beautiful, Yukta. What color star you need?
Pink.
Pink. Okay. Then who else finished? Adya Sharma, nicely escaping. Nimalan finished.
Ma'am, she is not ready to sit. We'll send on WhatsApp.
Okay. Nimalan.
Arya finished.
Arya, very good Arya. What color star you need, Arya?
I want orange and purple. Orange and purple.
Orange and purple. I have yellow and purple. Is it okay for you? Take it. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, I'll make Nimalan write and I'll send photo, ma'am.
Okay, what
He's not
happened?
writing, ma'am. He's not writing, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next, who else? Children, everyone has showed to me. Adarsh. Adarsh, finish.
Adarsh just wrote 2 rows, ma'am, and started crying.
Show me his worksheet. What you have written? I can't see anything. H. Hey, wow, you have written H, I and all. G is difficult only. Leave it. Afterwards, we'll make him write. Let him write H, I, F and all. Adarsh, what color star you need?
Ma'am, केकरांग पर इन्हें कल सावे ना?
Huh?
Strawberry.
Purple star. Okay, okay, Nakshatra.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. What color star you need? What color
Okay.
star you need?
What color star, ma?
Pink color. Okay. Okay, children. Hope everyone has finished. I've seen everyone's writing. Is there anyone I didn't see? I saw everyone.
Tilakar is calling.
Tilakar is saying bye, ma'am. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Tilakar, you have become very naughty nowadays. Thanks for your cooperation. Unless I say